Hi friends, Salam Doston. Welcome back. My name is Hussein. If you are new to this channel, my brother Hassan and I, we teach Tajik here. And in today's video, I want to show you some ways to ask for directions. And we'll give you some vocabulary words and also some most common questions you might need if you travel to Tajikistan. And this video might be helpful for locals too, because if you are from Tajikistan and if there are some visitors in your city, you can help them. You can help them to find the right direction and find the right place. So first, we'll start with vocabulary words, and then we'll have some most common questions, and after that, at the end, we'll have a dialogue. In the first part, the vocabulary part, we included both formal and informal Tajik, because in the north part of Tajikistan, we usually use informal Tajik when we speak. So that's why you might need them if you travel to Hujan, for example, in the north part. So the first one is next to, by, or beside. In Tajik, we say dar nazdi, and also people say peshi, especially in the north part, we say peshi. Next, in front of, we say dar rubarui, and usually people omit dar, and they just say rubarui. It's also fine, rubarui. Behind will be dar pasi, dar kafoi, or dar pushti. And mostly people use dar kafoi and dar pushti. They are more common. Next, between will be dar baini, and there is y in the middle, baini. On the corner in Tajik, dar kunji. So this part is called kunj, and dar kunji will be on the corner. Left and right. So for you it will be here, left. So left in Tajik, chap, and right will be rost. Okay, chap, rost. Side will be taraf. And if you want to say left side, it will be tarafi, chap, and right side, tarafi, rost. Okay, so side is taraf. Next is straight. Straight in Tajik we use the same word as for right, so we just say rost. And in the north, some people say tugri, so it's informal, tugri. Outside will be berun, and inside darun. Okay, darun and berun. So we've finished with vocabulary words. Now we'll talk about some common questions when asking for directions. And the first one is it far? Onjo durast? Onjo dur ast. And if you want to say is it near, it will be onjo nazdik ast. Onjo nazdik ast. Onjo dur ast. Onjo nazdik ast.
Onjo dur ast. Onjo nazdik ast.
Onjo dur ast. Onjo nazdik ast.
Onjo dur ast. Onjo nazdik ast.
Next, can you show me on the map? شما در خریطه به من نشان داده می توانید. شما در خریطه به من نشان داده می توانید. Okay? شما در خریطه به من نشان داده می توانید.
شما در خریطه به من نشان داده می توانید.
شما در خریطه به من نشان داده می توانید.
شما در خریطه به من نشان داده می توانید.
Next, where is the nearest bank? In Tajik, نزدیکترین بانک در کجاست؟ نزدیکترین بانک در کجاست؟ نزدیکترین بانک در کجاست؟
نزدیکترین بانک در کجاست؟
نزدیکترین بانک در کجاست؟
And the word kujost is a bit formal, st at the end. Sorry. So you can just say kujo. نزدیکترین بانک در کجا. It's also fine. Next, is the restaurant near here? طربخانه به اینجا نزدیک است. طربخانه به اینجا نزدیک است. طربخانه به اینجا نزدیک است.
طربخانه به اینجا نزدیک است.
طربخانه به اینجا نزدیک است.
And the last one, excuse me, where is the restroom? میبخشید حاجتخانه در کجا؟ میبخشید حاجتخانه در کجا؟ میبخشید حاجتخانه در کجاست؟
میبخشید حاجتخانه در کجاست؟
میبخشید حاجتخانه در کجاست؟
میبخشید حاجتخانه در کجاست؟
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm lost.
میبخشید شما به من کمک کرده میتوانید؟ من رهگم زدم.
Certainly. Where would you like to go?
البته شما به کجا رفتن میخواهید؟
I'd like to go to the museum, but I can't find it. Is it far?
میخواستم به آثارخانه روم اما آن را یافته نمیتوانم. آنجا دور است؟
No, not really. It's about a 5-minute walk.
نه آنقدر. تقریبا 5 دقیقه پیاده.
Maybe I should call a taxi.
شاید من تاکسی زنگ زنم؟
No, I can give you directions. Go along this street to the traffic lights. Do you see them?
نه من میتوانم به شما فهمانم. به این کوچه به سوی چراغکی راهنما روید. شما آنها را میبینید؟
Yes, I can see them.
بله من آنها را دیده میتوانم.
At the traffic lights, turn left into Firdausi Street.
از نزد چراغکی راهنما به طرف چپ به کوچه فردوسی گردید.
Firdausi Street?
کوچه فردوسی؟
Right. Go straight, then take the second left and enter the park.
درست. راست رفتن گیرید. بعد از کوچه دوم به طرف چپ گردید و به باغ درآیید.
Okay, Firdausi Street, straight on, then the third left and enter the park.
خوب. کوچه فردوسی راست می روم و بعد از کوچه سیوم به طرف چپ می گردم و به باغ می درایم.
No, it's the second left.
نه، از کوچه دوم به طرف چپ.
Got it.
ها، فهمو.
Right. Just follow the park and you will see the red building. The museum is right behind it.
درست. به واسطه باغ راست روید. بینای سرخ را می بینید و آثارخانه در قفای آن است.
Got it. Thank you very much for your help.
فهمیدم. تشکر زیاد برای کمکتان.
No problem. Have a nice day.
هیچ گپ نه. روز بخیر.
Alright, that's it for today. And the link to the PDF file of this lesson, you can find it in the description box. It's available for free. And if you want to learn more vocabulary words about traveling, you can find some of our videos, the links to those videos in the description box. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you learned something new. If you did, please leave me a like, and see you guys in the next video.